How to lock or unlock credit or debit card on Chase Bank. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded Chase mobile app. Then, log into your account using the credentials. After you log in, select the credit card you want to lock or unlock. For the debit card, select the checking account your debit card is tied to. Now scroll down and find the option of Account Services. Under that, you'll find the option Tap Lock and Unlock Card. Click on that. If you want to lock, toggle on for the option. If you want to unlock, toggle off for the option. And with this, your card will be locked or unlocked. You can still make purchases with your card in your digital wallet and it won't stop recurring charges even though your card is locked. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.